So rest are for paper number 2, General Studies paper number 2, which is also known as CSAT. In CSAT, we have to cover these topics. Hello everyone, this is Insha, a career psychologist. Today we'll learn about that from which subject we have to start first in our UPSC preparation. Most of the students are confused that from which subject they can start first in their UPSC preparation. In this video, we'll learn about that from which subject they have to start first in their UPSC preparation. So let's have a look. As we all know, there are two papers in UPSC preparation, Prelims and Mains. In Prelims, we have two papers which is also known as GS paper number 1 and GS paper number 2 which is also known as CSAT. In GS paper number 1, we have these subjects to cover. So first we have to start from history, geography, polity, economics, environment ecology, science and technology, current affair, culture and art, Indian society. These are the subjects for Prelims number 1, which is also known as paper number 1, General Studies of paper number 1. So these are subjects to cover in the Prelims examination. So rest are for paper number 2, General Studies paper number 2, which is also known as CSAT. In CSAT, we have to cover these topics: comprehension, interpersonal skills, communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical ability. Number 3, decision making and problem solving. Number 4, general mental ability. Number 5, basic numeracy of class 10th level. These are the topics we have to cover in CSAT. So, for more videos, please connect with us. Thank you so much.